Welcome to Scrape Genius. Thank you for purchasing our reseller plan. In this video, we will show you that how do you access your reseller dashboard and customizing your product with your own branding. Start by visiting our official website, scrapegenius.com. and signing in with your reseller account.
Music licensing reimagined.
Once logged in, click the Reseller button to open your dashboard, where you'll see a detailed overview including total customers, paid and unpaid customers, plan expiry date, and license usage. Now go to the profile section and enter your purchase code provided by Scrape Genius. If you don't have one, please contact our support team. After filling out the required fields, save your details. Once you're done, navigate to the SMTP section,
Music licensing reimagined.
where you'll enter and test your SMTP credentials before saving them. Now let me explain that how you can generate license and monitor your customers. Go to the Generate License section where you can track how many licenses have been generated, sold, and are still available. To generate license, simply click on the Generate License button. You will see the generated license in the list below. After a customer completes payment, you can share the generated license with them. Now go to the User Analytics section. Here you can monitor registered, paid, and unpaid customers. Let's move on to the application setup. Download and install the Web Crawler Spider file from the Download section. To install Web Crawler Spider, you can watch our installation video. Video link is available in the description.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Once installed, start your local server and sign in through the application using your reseller credentials.
Music licensing reimagined.
And open the profile section to fill out your company details. Start by uploading logos. Upload a dark logo for the navbar, and a light logo for the sidebar.
Artlist.io.
After, move to YouTube tutorial links. Here, you can add your own video tutorial links for various tools such as the Google Search Scraper and Google Map Scraper.
Licensing reimagined.
Or you can choose our default unbranded videos by clicking the Set Default Links button.
Artlist.io.
After that, fill out your business contact information like phone number, company name, year of establishment, and more. After saving these details, this information will be displayed to your customers as official support details. After saving, refresh the page. Your logo and contact info will be visible in the application. Finally, go to your project file and remove the node_modules folder. Then simply convert the entire project file into a zip. Your file is now ready to be shared with your customers. You can also contact our support team for guidance on the next steps to help you reach your customers with this file.